Hello everyone, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I have this Gaggia Classic here that came in for a tune-up and a steam assembly replacement. So I have the old steam assembly here, and I just replaced it because I noticed the wand was leaking a little bit. So then I also replaced the gasket. Here's the old one that's just here in the group head, and I cleaned the screen here. I also back flushed the group head to remove all the coffee residue, cleaned the steam wand with milk cleaner, and I also descaled the machine. But during descaling, the pump gave out, which is pretty common with the older pumps. When there's a lot of mineral buildup, it can damage the pump when we remove those minerals. So I ended up having to replace that. So here's the old pump, and now I'm just going to give you a quick demo of the machine. Oh, I also deep cleaned this portafilter too. That was part of the tune-up. So now we can just test the machine. And this is our test coffee, so it's not calibrated to the machine, so it might come out a little bit fast, a little slow. In this case, it's coming out a little fast. Yeah, it's not the ideal shot, but it's just to show you that the machine can brew coffee. And I can also show you the steam wand. I'm just going to wait a second for that to heat up. Okay, so now that it's heated up, I'm just going to show you that steam wand is working very well. Very strong steam. Let's turn that off. And that's about it for this video. So if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.